Hi everyone, I'm just about to do a light microscopy practical with my Year 10s, so I thought I'd talk a little bit about the relative advantages and disadvantages of using electron versus light microscopes. As you can see in this simple lab setting, a light microscope is simple and easy to use, it's lightweight, it's comparatively cheaper. You need little specialist training in order to use a light microscope. The major disadvantages come when we consider the resolving power and magnifying power of a light microscope. Light microscopes can only magnify up to 1,500 times larger than the original object. The resolution refers to your ability to distinguish between two separate points on a sample. The resolving power of a light microscope is just 200 nanometers. When we compare this with an electron microscope, they can magnify up to 1,000,000 times depending on the electron microscope in question. Their resolving power is much greater. They can distinguish between points only 1 nanometers apart. In terms of setting up your light microscope, you're going to pop the light on. Just bring your stage into position. I've got a slide here that's got some human tissue. We're looking at arteries, veins and capillaries today. I'm going to start with the lowest magnifying lens and use my coarse focus to slowly start bringing that into focus before moving on to my fine focus. Feel free to move your stage up and down, and then as you bring that into focus, you can then start moving through the other objective lenses.